The money habits that keep Americans broke. Language USA English style. Niche finance and wealth building. Intro hook. Have you ever wondered why so many people in America work hard every single day, but still struggle financially? They earn money. They get promotions. Some even make six figures. Yet somehow, they're still living paycheck to paycheck. No savings. No investments. No financial freedom. And here's the scary part, most people don't even realize they're trapped in a cycle that keeps them broke for life. In today's video, we're exposing the biggest money habits destroying people's finances in America. These are habits that look normal, but quietly steal your future wealth. And if you stay until the end, you'll also learn the exact habits wealthy people use to build financial freedom. So make sure to watch this video carefully, because one habit change today could completely transform your financial future. Let's begin. Credit card addiction. Credit cards are one of the most powerful financial tools in the world. But for many Americans, they become financial weapons against themselves. Why? Because credit cards make spending painless. When you use cash, you physically see the money leaving your hand. But with a credit card, it feels invisible. Swipe now, pay later. And that pay later mentality destroys millions of people financially. Many people buy things they don't truly need, just to impress others. Expensive sneakers, luxury phones, designer bags, fancy restaurants. And then the interest begins. A small purchase suddenly becomes much more expensive over time. That's how debt traps people. The banks profit. The consumer suffers. Now here's the important part. Credit cards are not evil. Wealthy people use credit cards too. But they use them differently. They pay the balance in full every month. They earn rewards, build credit, and avoid interest completely. The problem is not the card. The problem is uncontrolled. People buy things to impress strangers. This is one of the saddest financial habits in modern society. People spend money they don't have to impress people they don't even like. Think about it. Someone buys a luxury car, not because they truly need it, but because they want attention. Someone buys expensive clothes, not because the quality is life-changing, but because they want social validation. Social media made this problem even worse. Every day people see influencers showing luxury homes, private jets, designer watches, expensive vacations, and suddenly normal people feel poor, so they start spending emotionally. But here's the truth nobody talks about. Many people showing luxury lifestyles online are deeply in debt. Some rent luxury cars for photos. Some borrow money. Some fake their entire lifestyle. Never destroy your financial future trying to copy internet illusions. Real wealth is quiet.